Welcome to Go Math Lesson 9.3. Today we are changing decimal and fractions from tenths to hundredths and hundredths to tenths. These are fairly easy conversions. As we are moving in the place value chart, we know that we always multiply by 10. We did that when we worked to the left of the decimal point. To go from ones place to tens place, we multiplied by 10. And then to go backwards, from the tens place back to the ones place, we divided by 10. Same basic concept when we look at decimals. So if I want to change 7/10 to hundredths, I would multiply by a form of 1 of 10 over 10. So 10 times 10 is 100, and that brings me right to hundredths, and 7 times 10 is 70. So 70 hundredths written as a decimal is 0.70. Remember, if I want a decimal in the hundredths place, there are 2 zeros in hundred, so I need 2 decimal places. We can look at the decimal in number 3, and we read that as 5/10. Remember, it's one place, and if we think about the number 10 as a denominator, there's 1 0 in it, so tenths is one place over. So a good way to start with this one is 5/10 and writing it as a fraction, and then we multiply by 10 over 10, and we end up with 50 hundredths, which is equal to 0.50 or 50 hundredths. Taking a look at this one, we're moving backwards. We're moving down to tenths. So this is 40 hundredths, 2 places, 2 zeros. So we would start with 40 hundredths, and we would divide by the form of 1, which is 10 over 10, and we end up with 4/10, and we write that as a decimal as 0.4. One place here, 1 0 here. I hope these strategies help.